be buying the big items like car and houses, which affect the retail sales. But maybe the core retail sales may not be as bad as it could be. So with that, okay, where? Sorry, I have to move around. With that, we come back to the charts. Okay, so for US CAD, let's go. I'll look at a bit different. I'll look at the oil first this time. When the oil right now is very impressive over time as the COVID-19, a lot of countries have opened up their economy, demand start to surge in for various demand for oil. That's why the oil prices are starting to rise. Okay, it starts to rise itself. And if it breaks beyond this 41.6, 42 price, and that's the expectation, my expectation is it will continue to, it will rise up, break through to here, okay, and it continue to go up. It will definitely affect the Canadian dollar, where the Canadian dollar will strengthen. So looking back at this one, going back at US CAD, I believe right now it's going to hold. We're going to hold at this level here because of the news coming in, and so okay. And then before when the 8:30 comes in, there will be a news where the core retail news coming in. I believe it's not going to be at that bad. Canadian dollar and the oil demand strengthening, it will slowly fluctuate down to a strengthen of possible maybe just close to the support level, maybe around this level here, close to 1.3478. Perhaps it will probably hit around the previous low of 1.3515, right? Okay. And then for the Canadian yen, it's actually hovering right now. You can see it's being supported at the support level of 78.4. I also believe it's going to be the same thing. It's going to hover. It's going to stay. Sorry, it's going to stay here before it actually shift up because of the demand of the oil. Is going to support the Canadian dollar, strengthen the Canadian dollar to moving up price here. So let's take a look at. So with that, it's going to be very, very beneficial. I think Canadian dollar overall, for the trigger points of 8:30 in the Canadian news of the retail sales. With that, then we probably most likely my bias is actually to move up. Okay, so any questions? Very simple actually today. Everything okay? Is there any questions, guys? No? No, if not, let me pass it back to Kenneth.
Okay, thanks a lot, Daniel. Thanks for the fantastic session on the CAD and the oil. As per what he says, that I believe that for tonight 8:30 retail sales, it's much more important that the numbers is coming out is going to have some issue on the CAD. So as we are coming to close this session, okay, so I have a question for you, Daniel. So CAD will be weaker?
No, as I mentioned, I believe the demand for the oil is coming back. The demand is stronger. So with that, I believe the Canadian dollar should strengthen.
Okay, great. I hope that's answer Mushin's question. Yep. Okay, let me launch this last poll. What do you think about this webinar? So let me know what is your thoughts. So by the way, a recording of this video will be uploaded in the LCMS YouTube channel. And thank you for joining this session. And
there's a question. Yeah. What about retail? What about retail sales number?
Okay, retail sales number. I'm looking at the core retail sales number. It's at minus 12.7. Maybe just do quick share here. Okay. It's actually at the forecast to be minus 12.7, but I believe it's probably not going to be so bad as well. Probably maybe at minus 10 or so, where the economy is going up. People are starting to buy stuff as well. It's not going to go that great, but it's still going to be negative overall. But it's not going. They're probably not going to be that. I'm going to put my foot in, and I think it's not going to be as bad as minus 12.7. As you can see from the US dollar or the retail sales, people are coming back out. So I think it's not going to be that bad. And overall, it's going to be it's still negative, but slightly better than forecast.
Yep. Yep, great. I hope that answer your question for this 998. So, by the way, Daniel is the one who is firing the signal. So if you all have any more question on how he do the signal on the cat and oi, you all can have more question. If not, please fill up this review question to let us know how do you feel about this session so that we can do some feedback from here and adjust from here. So thanks all for joining, and I would like to hope to see you all on next week, Monday, 11 a.m. on the Aussie and Kiwi. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.